Let's face it, TikTok is going absolutely crazy right now. Some stores are crushing it with absolutely no spend whatsoever. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 dropshipping stores and products that are absolutely crushing it on TikTok right now. What's poppin', people? It's your boy the Beast of Ecom, and I am back with another video dropping nothing but you already know value bombs. Now we all know the issues that Facebook are currently having, and a lot of us marketers are now moving over to TikTok. If you've ever wanted to start your own e-commerce dropshipping store with minimal spend, the best place to do it right now is on TikTok. Ignoring all of the goofy dance moves and all of the gimmicky stuff on TikTok, you can still make some money on the platform using this strategy that I'm about to outline in this video. If this is the first time watching some of my content, then please do consider dropping a subscribe. I drop weekly videos showing you how you can make more money with your dropshipping stores, e-commerce, and Facebook ads, and all of that good stuff. Finally, before I reveal what these winning brands are, if you could do just 2 things. First and foremost, drop a like on this video, helps out the channel, give the algorithm some love. And second of all, drop a comment down below. Let me know if you enjoyed this content. It helps me out, and again, it helps the channel out as well. So let's jump straight into this video. I'm going to show you guys 5 winning TikTok products, right? Brands as well, and basically give you a strategy on what I've analyzed from all of these winning brands and products and how they seem to be doing things and getting crazy views, followers, likes, and those kind of things. So this is the first one, and you can see it's called Lit Grips, and they've got 189,000 followers, 3.5 million likes. Now, the product itself is something very simple. It's a phone case with a lighter built into the back. So this product itself actually solves a problem for all of the smokers who are out there. And of course, it has that wow effect as well, because not many phone cases out there, at least to my knowledge, have a built-in lighter on the back. Now, if you scroll down and have a look at some of their views, you can see that this one's got 76,000 views, I believe, on it. This one's got 12,000. If you keep scrolling down again, they're just absolutely crushing it with the views. Now, if you have a look at the actual product page that they're selling, again, it's nothing mind-blowing, okay? This is very simple. It's just using the Day Beautify theme, very basic, right? They haven't done any heavy customization, and it's something that, you know, no one else out there you watching this video can't do. The product itself, I believe, is branded, so you can have a look that they've actually got custom-made boxes, and they don't ship worldwide either. So they're only shipping in United States, which means they may not be actually drop shipping, but it's still a brand that is crushing it. Now, what I tend to be seeing from these is they seem to be posting around about, you know, minimum 2 to 3 times per day. All of these brands seem to be posting 2 to 3 times per day. Okay, and I've got some more strategies that I'm going to talk into as we go through all these other brands. Okay, so this is the second winning product that is crushing it on TikTok, right? Now, I'm going to show you, we're talking about those strategies, and like I've mentioned previously, they seem to be posting around about 2 to 3 times per day. But I'm going to show you another strategy that I've seen most of them seem to be using in a different variation or different form, and I'll tell you those in a moment in time. But first and foremost, you can see that they've got 109,000 followers, 1.7 million likes. Now again, this product isn't new, isn't revolutionary, it's a very old product, and I think I actually done a video testing this product out on this channel. So if I can find that video, I'll leave the link to that in one of the top hand corners. Now if you scroll down, some of the views that these guys are getting were great. If we scroll down here, we can see that one, I think they had a few in the millions. So let's see, we've got one that is 1.8 million here, 1.7 million here. So, you know, 500,000 here. They're essentially going viral, right? And this is free traffic when you've got a product which is a wow effect or something that you can pretty much demonstrate. But let me show you that little tactic that I mentioned that I seem to be seeing what some of these guys seem to be doing. So basically on this post, what they've done is someone has said, you know, how many likes would it take to get a free one? And they said, you know, whoever can get the most liked comment, right, will get a free shower head. So naturally what's going to happen on this post is people are going to comment, they're going to tag their friends, they're going to say like my comment, etc, etc, etc. And you can see that they managed to get 916 comments. This is just another strategy that I see that these TikTok brands seem to be doing. And another one is that I saw that they were doing it in the same kind of way, but they mentioned, you know, the last person who likes this video will get a free X product. And of course, everyone's going to like it. The last person is never going to be found, pretty much. Now, their website again is very, very basic. It's not nothing revolutionary. Okay, it's a basic theme. You can see here they're selling it for £23. It's showing me that because I'm in the UK, £24, $32, right? And we know that if we go to AliExpress, we can get this thing for pretty much £8, right? And that's a XXX. They're triple their cost, which is great. So there's enough margin inside of this product to, of course, run ads. But remember, most of these brands may not even be running any ads. They've got a lot of free traffic from all of these views. So again, another thing that I seem to be seeing, that the profit margins don't have to be insane, especially if you're going to go down the route of the free organic traffic method. Hopefully you guys are getting some value from this video. If you are, please do drop a like on this video and of course a comment down below, and please do consider subscribing if you are not a subscriber already. On to the third one. So I'm going to show you another strategy that seems to be working pretty cool for these TikTok brands. But before I do that, let's look at the numbers. So they've got 1.1 million followers and 17.7 million likes across all of their videos. Now, the product itself, again, it's nothing revolutionary. It's just one of those cool little staffs, and it just pops out. You probably use this thing like once or twice in your life, and then it will just kind of just sit in your bedroom or wherever. But the product itself is wow, cool, quirky, and unique. Now, the strategy, what I seem to be seeing is what they do is they reply to the comments with a video. So if we have a look at this one here, he says, give it to a duck. Essentially, he's at a pond with some ducks. There's another one here, that comment that says, is it legal? Yes, obviously they just go and do a video explaining that comment. So that seems to be working well, along with, like I've mentioned, those other two strategies. Now on to the last two. Both of these products are similar, so I'm going to cover them both together. So this one here is basically a flying spinner, okay? And again, it's a cool, quirky, unique product. And again, this one here is a same product, but it's just a ball, pretty much. Now, let me show you both of them, what they do. So you can see that this one here it's just a flying spinner, and when they throw it, I believe it just comes back to you, or something along those lines. But also the product itself is a cool, quirky, unique product, which seems to be the kind of theme that I'm spotting with a lot of these different brands. Okay, you know, a lot of these products, some of them are problem solving, but a lot of them are just kind of cool products that you'd see on like Amazon. You'd buy it, shoot a video with it at home like this dude is doing, as you can see, and then just putting it on TikTok. This one has 447,000 followers with 4.2 million likes. And this one here has 816,000 followers and 5.7 million likes as well. Now, these two, I believe the profit margins when I looked into them aren't exactly great, but as I've mentioned, these guys probably aren't running that many ads. They may do, they may not do. And if you are not running any ads and it's all just organic, you can see again, some of these views are fantastic, to be fair. This one's had 570,000 views on it. Again, if you're not paying for any advertisements, then of course you don't have to factor that in, and there's more profit margin for you. Now, one final little value bomb is you can check out suggested accounts. I am on the desktop version, but if you have a look down here, most of these are all other brands that you can check out as well and see how they are doing things and get some creative ideas. Last but not least, I am on TikTok. So if you do have a TikTok, then feel free to follow me. I did actually post a video like this earlier today. So if you want to stay up to date with my recent content and little value drops here and there, go and check me out, go and drop me a follow. I won't be doing any sort of crazy dancing or anything like that, I promise. If you have made it this far, then thank you very much. I appreciate you so much. If you could drop a like on this video, it would help it out massively. And second of all, drop a comment down below. Which of these brands or products would you potentially test out? If you don't have a copy of my 100% free dropshipping ebook, then go and get your hands on that. The link for that will be down below. Again, it's 100% free. Hit me up on Instagram and Twitter, and of course, TikTok as well. We can try and connect on there, but that is it for this video. Hopefully you got some value. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah.